Hello y'all, today I'm using the Merkur 34C and the Alysworth blade in my shave for today. Hi, my name is Jason, also known as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. You could find me on Instagram as that name. I'm doing a shaving chat today for the razor company. Today, the stars of the show, which I'm holding up, are the Merkur 34C and the Alysworth blade. I'm also using Adopted Acres Homestead Barbershop soap and splash, and another TRC product. They're great lather bowls. Oh man, you could build a beautiful ladder with this. And my Sawdust Creations from Bobby Moffett. How are y'all doing today? I'm a daily shaver. I like to use various types of razors and blades. You know, once you fall into this hobby, you just want to keep on falling in until, you know, see how far you could go. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's great. Again, this video is for the razor company. And again, the products, one of the products they sell is the Merkur 34C and the Alysworth blades. Both great products. I love the Merkur 34C. It's a very old razor. It has a history. It's a razor that a lot of people that enter wet shaving, it's like at least their first or maybe first of 3 razors you could name. You know, you ask any wet shaver and majority of them would say Merkur 34C because it's so forgiving when you use it. You don't need that much technique at the beginning to use a razor like that. Let me just wet my face. Nice little sprayer. So, yeah. Oh man, I've been looking forward to this shave all day. A little pampering. I call it pampering for me. Me time. You know, there are people who play golf. There are people who do yoga. There are people who do art, sing, dance, wherever calms you down. But something about a good shave just adds a pep to my step. Oh man. The scent of this soap is like beautiful. I feel like I'm in the country, outside, sitting on the porch, having my coffee. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, oh man. Okay, I can do this all day. Let's just cut to the chase. I wish you could hear the feedback. Sorry if I'm not talking. When I go under my neck, I try not to talk. You know, that's a sensitive area from my skin. Yeah. First pass already done. Oh man. When I entered this hobby, or what you want to call lifestyle, I was lost. I didn't know what to choose. And the majority of the people say, get yourself a Merkur 34C. If you like it, continue. If not, you're not stuck with a big bill. Yep. Oh man, I love this soap. And that blade, that Alysworth blade is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm just getting lost in the scent. You know, smell is very powerful. You could get lost in a scent. It could bring you to places in the mind that you won't be physically in. Oh man, I just love this soap and the scent. Getting a good lather. I'm gonna go my second pass. Such a smooth shave. And it mows down a day's worth. I think one time I had, 5 days worth of hair and it mowed it down. There's a reason why they call this the workman's or the workhorse of the razor world. It's very reliable and steady. It doesn't get enough love. Ah. Beautiful shave. I hope everyone's having a great day. Having a shave is a pick-me-up. It's like I said before, it's like my yoga. I'm gonna go for my third pass. Very easy. This razor I recommend for beginners or for people who need to do a quick shave. This is your razor. Oh. My third and final pass. Oh man. I just love a good shave. Oh man. Look at this lather. Look. And look, this bowl really makes good lathers. Oh man. Gonna go for my third and final pass. Trying to stay in camera as much as I can. So let me ask everyone, do you get the satisfaction of hearing the feedback after when you're shaving? Because it's music to my ears. Like, I could get lost in that sound. It takes me to another place. Oh man. A good shave is a great start of the day. That's what I personally believe. As usual, BBS shave. Let me wipe off. I hope you enjoyed the shave with me. I enjoyed it with you. Thank you for always blessing me with your time when you watch this video, because time is valuable. There's many things you can watch, but when you watch me, I feel privileged and blessed. Oh. Let me get the splash and then we'll go for a review. Okay. Oh. So I'm finished with my shave. And today I used the Merkur 34C the Alysworth blade. The soap and splash I used was Adopted Acres Homestead Barbershop. The brush, Sawdust Creations, and TRC lather ball. You're going to see a lot of this. I love their lather balls. I just want to thank you for giving me the time and day, and get all your wet shaving needs at therazorcompany.com. Follow them on their IG, The Razor Company, and also they have The Razor Company Live every Saturday at 9 a.m. 4 great people do a live shave, talk about wet shaving products, talk about what's new in the wet shaving community in the Razor Company store, and we just have a bunch of laughs and we get educated and entertained at the same time. Have a great day and bye.